Hello everyone, this is a white coding platform. Let me show a quick demo. So it's basically connect to our Google GCP workspace, but as of now I'm running this into my local. So we can select the model and the mode of agent, then other configuration we can able to do. So now I just create a new project. Can you create a new website? Just a simple portfolio, very minimal. Okay, so now this will be create a new workspace or the project. So inside that it will be execute the agent orchestration, so that will be do all the steps. In case if it's needed, that will be assign the task or delegate the task to sub agents as well. So we can able to do see this steps what it actually trying to do currently. So yeah, let's see what it's come up with. Okay, I just paused the video. Yeah, so now this is completed the workflow, everything, but it still has some minor issues. So the code it's created on a temporary location, but it doesn't able to capture in the system. So yeah, I just show my existing one. Okay, so here's the another one example. um, so yeah, so this is created the code and we can able to see the live preview as well. Okay, so now I come to the concept. It's not just like a white coding platform, and it's still it was in an early stage. The concept is simple, so it's like a white coding platform, but it's like a open cloud, like something like a personal assistant, not for common people. It's for the developer perspective. Basically, that will have a memory, long-term memory layer. So even though you can create a multiple projects, you can connect to your GitHub, everything. So basically the concept is give instruction. So based on the instruction that will automatically create a VM from GCP or else run the Google Cloud run job to execute some work and get the result. Not just that, it will have a memory layer. Because of that it will be remember recall everything. We don't want to refill the context again and again. So yeah, so here's the system how that will be work. So this is the version 1. So now I'm working migrating to version 2. Okay, so now it's just like a web platform. So then we giving the context that send to REST API to the server. Then the real-time updates are also coming from that SSE. So now if anything I have sent, that will be push the job. So this will be execute that worker, and also the context will be keep store in the database. And in parallelly, the agent will work on this isolated sandbox, and that will do all the steps like coding and other things. And then the actions, everything we streaming using the PubSub. So that's what we seeing in that steps. What actually it's doing when we giving the prompt in the timeline. So now in the V2, the change is almost similar, but the thing, so now this will be do the task in intelligent way. based on giving the task, either running the Google Cloud Run job, or else it's need a dedicated VM. Depends on the task. Also, even I can give multiple tasks in parallel. So for that, I was using the Git work tree, this same sandbox environment, and automatically the top level model will make the model works once done, merge into the local work tree to the main branch. So later we can connect to GitHub and we can push and sync our code. So in upcoming additions, I need to include that MCP skills agents. So this is improve the model ability, and also I have some future plans to include in this and keep this in the open. But still, it was in the early stage. It's not fully completed yet. Yeah. So that's it. This is what my idea.